Have you ever lost your way?
No, because whenever I lost, I just open my map, which is in my phone, and
whenever I am lost, I open this Google app and there I check.
And
Ask him again. Same question.
Have you ever lost your way?
Whenever I get lost, I just search my location on the Google map and just tap on it and get my location and just
So to answer your question, I've never got lost. Right? Full answer at the end. There should be conclusion also. Okay? Yeah.
Can you read a map when you get lost?
I can read like a map that is written, but I can read a map on app. So
okay, this answer is incomplete. हाँ, थोड़ी vibration कम करें वहाँ से सही हो जाएगा. Okay? Let's go on. One more question.
Have you ever helped someone who got lost?
No, because I'm also dependent on it on Google Maps. So I don't know some places. So I didn't help anyone.
Okay, listen, your answers are way too short for speaking part 1 and you're showing no signs of interest in speaking. So please, it's important. Show some interest, give full answer, at least 5. Your every answer is almost the same. Yes or no, and then 1 to 2 sentences, that's it. You need to speak more. Alright, these type of answers irritate the examiner and then the examiner will say why, and you will be confused then. So try to give a reasonable answer with 5 to 6 sentences. Okay, thank you.